Hi everyone, it's Liam from Snowy's Outdoors, and today I'm here to talk to you about the MH6 headlamp from Ledlenser. In the MH series, the MH6 sits just above the MH2, but is yet still lightweight, efficient and affordable. So when you purchase the MH6 headlamp, you'll receive the headlamp itself, the lithium ion rechargeable battery, the USB recharging cord, and the instruction manual. The MH6 headlamp weighs 93 grams with the lithium ion rechargeable battery and can also be used with standard alkaline batteries. To recharge the battery pack, all you simply have to do is to connect it to a power source via the micro USB cord. And to insert the battery pack into the headlamp, just need to unclip casing and insert the battery pack into the rear and gently close shut. The MH6 headlamp is 7 centimeters wide, 6 centimeters deep and 4.5 centimeters high. So similarly to the Ledlenser MH2, the MH6 is made out of plastic and also has a water resistance rating of IPX6, meaning it's resistant to light rain and light dust particles. This headlamp has a soft elasticated adjustable headband that's easily adjusted just by sliding that way to loosen and back the other way to tighten. This headlamp also has a clip at the rear which you can attach to a binder or your belt in an emergency situation. The MH6 has 3 different light settings, as just by clicking the green button you can cycle through the different settings, being high, low, flash, and then to simply turn it off, one click. The MH6 on its high setting has 200 lumens over a beam distance of 120 meters and will last for approximately 5 hours. On its low setting, the MH6 has a brightness of 20 lumens over a beam distance of 40 meters and has an approximate battery life of 20 hours. Another great feature of the headlamp is that it has a tilt function, which is nice and easy to use. And you can also focus the beam by narrowing or widening simply by turning the focus lens. The MH6 headlamp is a great choice if you're looking for a bit more brightness that's yet still efficient and affordable. And similarly to the rest of the Ledlenser range, it's backed by Ledlenser's 7-year warranty upon product registration. If you want to find out more about the Ledlenser MH6 headlamp, you can visit us in store at Snowy's or jump online to snowys.com.au, where we offer fast, free delivery to most of Australia. Thanks for listening everyone, and we hope to see you soon.